This video is going to be for anyone who's trying to add park to a Turbo 400. Most Turbo 400s that were in Humvees did not come with park because they have some kind of pinion brake or air brake or something like that. So you're going to be missing these bolts, this bracket, the pin, the parking pawl pin, and the correct rooster for the parking brake itself. All of this is going to be missing. You're going to have to find a kit. You're going to have to undo this shaft, pull the nail out. I kind of bent it up so I didn't have to get it out through the pump here. There's a window on this back side. I just kind of bent it up, pulled it out. You back this castle nut off right here and pull it out. This tube comes off. You change this rooster gear out because the original rooster gear does not have a hole right here for the shift shaft. So you're gonna have to change that out. It also, right here where the park sits, I ground this one down until I realized it didn't have a hole right here. But it stops right here, so you physically can't put it in park. But you don't have to take this shaft all the way out. You can slide it this way and get this stuff in here. And then you're gonna have to take this cup out on the back side. I just took this bolt, dropped it down in there, used a screwdriver and pushed it out that way. And then I could drive this pin, parking pawl pin, down there into the case where it sits, and you can put that clip on. And this is how the spring is supposed to be orientated. This is how it comes from the factory for a regular Turbo 400. I did not have these bolts, so I was able to match up some bolts. I put a little Loctite on there. Better safe than sorry. But this shaft slides back and forth. You will not be able to install it if you have it in park. This is in the park mode, so you need to have it in literally into the other gears. As you can see, you push it down into park and it engages the pawl against the gear back in here, so nothing's turning. And you can shift it out of park. As you can see, the shaft spins. But that's what you're gonna have to do. It's kind of a pain in the ass, but that's it. Let me know if you have any questions.